Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it would be really fun to give you guys a little sneak peek behind the scenes of what I do to look gorgeous working at a makeup counter in the pandemic. So retail in general has changed a lot, and hopefully one day we can leave Miss COVID behind us and move on to just look stunning without covering half of our face. Those masks there are necessary. I appreciate anybody who wears them. I wear them all day to make people feel safe and comfortable around me. But I do hope one day we can go back to just show our beautiful smiles and beautiful full faces. But now that not everything is visible, honestly, it's definitely harder to make people excited about makeup because you can stop by the counter and usually see those beautiful lips and that gorgeous contour, but now all covered. So to give people still something to be excited and to look stunning for work, I want to show you what I do. So if you want to know how to do that, stay and watch this video. So I zoomed you guys in, and I do keep it quick because it's early morning. I don't have a lot of time, so I want to make sure I am looking fly, but usually I get now ready in like maybe 15-20 minutes. So let me show you what I do. First thing, obviously, snatching those brows. Duh.
On fleek.
So now that my brows are looking snatched, we go in with shadow. And because your eyes are pretty much the only thing visible, I like to have intense eyeshadows. So I'm using the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm using more of those colorful colors. So let's go into Kai Kai, and that's the bright pink on a fluffy blending brush. And this will be our first shade. And you see, we are not playing. Intensity is key. You want to draw the attention to you, and honestly, being surrounded by many makeup counters who are more known for natural looks, that's how I can stand out at my place. Like many counters, they don't even have colors like that. Now I'm going with Pageant Queen. That's the purple color, same area, but not going quite as much in. Now I'm going in with the black, what is called shady. Very true to me. But I'm going in with a different brush because I do want to use a different brush for black, a little smaller brush. Just going on the outer corner one more time. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in 02 Rumor on a flat brush, cutting the crease. And I do it so much that it goes pretty quick for me now this day. So this is a really easy way for me to make my look even more glamorous. But it doesn't take me like forever. But I know cut creases are not everybody's forte, as well as can take a while. So this might be not for you if you are on a go. But if you have time or you're very secure, try it. Makes immediately your eye makeup look 10 times more dramatic. Now I'm going with Campy. What is this? Bright yellow. And this will be my first shade on the inner corner, giving me a bright pop of color right there. Yellow is one of those weird shades that no matter what you do, I feel personally on the eye or on the skin, it always goes darker. It's so annoying. Like even when I use a yellow base underneath, it rarely stays this vibrant, like lemon yellow. It always goes more to like a sunflower yellow. Now on the eyelid, I'm using this goldish color. This one is Legendary, just to give me a little reflex. And just go in with the already used brush that has black on it. Blend that outer corner. Next, I'm curling my lash. And then mascara. And as you notice, I did not do a liner because I'm actually not doing a lot of liner right now. I wanted to keep my eyelid space as big as possible. Now that I'm getting a little more mature, my eyelid is not quite as big anymore. One day I want to do like a hopefully. Ooh. So I can get my eye back, my snatched eye back, but right now, because I still want to keep a lot of space, I don't do liner. Now, a coworker in front of mine who actually just moved to Vegas has her own lash brand, and her lash brand is called 1122. The packaging is everything. It comes like in this little jewelry box looking thing. This one is in the style Queen, and it's actually one of my favorite styles. Disregard the part that I cut off. The beauty of this lash, super wispy, super fun, and keeps enough room that you actually can see my eyeshadow. Because there's nothing more that I hate when somebody's doing an amazing eye makeup and then they're putting on a lash and it's all gone. Sorry, I was looking for my lash glue. So I'm using GRWM lash glue. It's amazing. It dries so quick. You can just take it. Look, I'm not cutting right now the video. I'm just letting it go. So I just did it. Roll my little lash. Take my little applicator. Look where, this one. Fan it. I blow on it because it's my bacteria. Please don't blow on your lash. Look. And the lash is on. So quick. Next, I'm priming my face using Skin Base as always, but keeping it more on the outer part as well as on the nose and the forehead. Next, I'm using Studio Fix Fluid on a beauty blender because again, we don't have time. Now I'm going in with my concealer underneath my eyes. Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. It's still popping for me. Have you ever tried it? It's amazing. Setting it with my Chanel loose powder. Then using my trusty mineral powder and medium and just a little bit everywhere else. For my inner waterline, I'm using the Chromographic pencil in Chrome Yellow. And I continue what we have going on the inner corner. That's an easy trick. You can pop a color on your inner corner and then use it in the waterline, and really it pulls the look together and makes it look a little bit more editorial, not just plain, you know, Instagram beauty. I'm using a little bit of the purple first on a flat brush tip. Go underneath my lower lash line. Blend it out with a little bit of that pink. And just right on the outer corner is where we place a little bit of the black. Now we use a little bottom lash mascara. And now we're using a little bit of Laguna. Contouring cheeks, hairline, jawline, the usual. And also a little bit on the upper bridge of the nose. From the Morphe blush palette, I'm mixing a little bit of the brighter pink with the purplish pink. And just give me a little color. Now from the Hyper Glow palette, I'm using this purplish highlighter as my highlighter on the cheek and a little bit above the brow. And lastly, I'm currently obsessed with this liner. It's a Dazzle liner that is like from the holiday collection 2 years ago, and I'm doing a little bit of a gold line in my brow and then also like right underneath here and here to really open my eye and give my eyes a little pop. Next, we're just setting our makeup. And last but not least, the most important thing for your makeup routine. Duh, your mask. So this is pretty much how I currently look working every single day. So you see, that's how the look looks. Alright guys, and this is the final result. This is pretty much how I work 9 hours a day at the makeup counter. So it's definitely very different, but still having fun with makeup. You know, we are still working in an environment where I feel very fortunate to express myself through the art of makeup, and you know, keeping all of this empty because honestly nobody sees it. And also, like, some of my coworkers, they got rashes here, and so no, we don't wear makeup there, we don't wear any lipstick there because it's not visible. But yeah, this is how I still have fun doing makeup at my counter. And if you're ever in Vegas, you can always stop by and see me looking like this. Now, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. And then if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. If you have not, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload. And lastly, please share it with your friends, neighbors, coworkers, anybody who would love to see how I get ready for work. And I'm smiling at you right now. You cannot tell, but I'm smiling through my eyes. So that was it. Thank you again for watching this video today, and until I see you next time, as always, stay safe and wash your hands. Bye bye.